Avery.
And I'm Alyssa.
And we're with the Turner Real Estate Network. And today we're in the Somerville model in Country Club East. This home is a 3-bed, 3-bath with a den and is a little bit over 2,400 square feet.
This home offers a bright open floor plan, upgraded trim throughout, and an outdoor kitchen.
It also sits on a gorgeous preserve view, so let's go take a tour. So let us know what you think of this home and make sure to comment below.
This home also features a 3-car garage, updated shelving in the closets, and a pool heater.
So if you guys have any questions, make sure to give me or Alyssa a call, or give Rich a call over here at Country Club East. But for now, we'll see you guys next time.
Bye!
Bye!